Hey you guys, so I wanted to hop on here and give a quick review of these bottle organizers that I got. They do come in a 2-pack, and I did get them from the brand for free in exchange for my honest and unbiased review. So you get 2 heavy-duty spray bottles that are pre-assembled with a sleek black powder-coated finish. They're very sturdy, so we can already tell that they're really built to last. Each holder fits 5 bottles with a total capacity of up to 26 pounds. So it's perfect for garages, workshops, or even inside the house. Installation was super simple. It came with all the mounting hardware that we need, and it was already pre-drilled. So we had some car care spray cans and paint cans and things like that. So it was no sagging, no wobbling. It was very solid. It held everything that we needed. It keeps everything in one place, so there's no more clutter, and it's easy to grab what you need while you're working. So it looks really clean and very professional on the toolbox that we installed it on. But you can install it on plaster, wood, concrete, or even brick walls, so really anywhere. So if you're tired of digging around through messy shelves or having cans all over the place, you should definitely check this out. It's perfect for garages, tool trailers, or even just a cleaning closet. And we are definitely going to get some more for our garage because we love them that much, and we would definitely recommend them.